the fuck? No fuel. Oh yeah. Hope this one has some juice. Hopefully Port Dover has some gas. Can we make it? Oh my God, please. Oh yeah. Love you, Pioneer. Sweet. Look at this cute bunny. All right, beautiful day here at Big Creek. Gonna check it out. Looking good. You can launch right there. They call this the Canadian Amazon, and I can see why. You know, this morning when I woke up at 3:45 a.m., I didn't think I had the energy to kayak today. Well, as soon as I saw this place, I got the energy. The bug situation's really good. When I got out of the car, they were all over me. I sprayed myself with bug spray, but on the river, it's actually perfect, no problem. The current's not too bad either. This is the only way through, and it's logs everywhere. It's pretty wild, and I like it. You get to hear all these creatures, birds, weird animals that you don't hear around in the city. I always wanted to go to the Amazon, but this is the next best thing. Maybe I'll go one day, but gotta start somewhere. I love this color of the water here. This murky, mysterious color. The one major plus over the Amazon is that I know there's no crocodiles down here. We got a bit of a current here. Pretty cool though. Love it. I got the kayak up here. No easy task to lift it up over these muddy banks. I almost wiped out in the river. I love how thick the jungle is. It's like there's so much life here. It's incredible. Pretty cool, huh? Worst thing was when I was flying the drone, I had bugs landing on my hands while I'm trying to operate. It was really distracting, so sorry if it wasn't smooth enough, but now you know why. Alright, I'm back. Had a great kayak on Big Creek. Check out how dirty my kayak is. Filthy little kayak. That's a sign of having a good time. Nice and clean. This episode was brought to you by Pioneer, the only working gas station on Highway 6.